Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Francisco, and if your iPhone is packed with duplicate photos, you're in the right place. So today we'll show you the best phone cleaner app to delete those duplicates in just a few taps. No more scrolling for hours trying to find and remove them manually. But before we do dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on tips to keep your iPhone running smoothly. Now let's get started. Part 1. How to identify and remove duplicate photos on iPhone. We begin with the available choice within the iPhone to get rid of duplicate photos. Over time, your iPhone storage can get cluttered with duplicate photos from burst shots, saved images, or accidental downloads, and of course, those live photos. Instead of scrolling endlessly to delete them manually, there is an easier way to clean up your gallery. Now thankfully, iPhones running iOS 16 or later have a built-in duplicates feature in the Photos app. This tool automatically detects identical photos and lets you merge them in just a few taps. Here's how to use it. First things first, open the Photos app on your iPhone and navigate to the Albums tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, scroll down to the Utilities section and tap Duplicates to view all detected duplicate photos. Now tap Merge next to each duplicate set to combine them into a single high-quality version. Once merged, the best quality version is kept and the extra photos are automatically deleted. Part 2. How to get rid of duplicate photos on iPhone using Dr.Fone Smart Clean. While the built-in Photos app helps remove exact duplicates, it may not catch similar-looking photos, such as slight variations of the same shot. Manually sorting through these can be time-consuming, which is where a smart cleaning tool comes in handy. The Dr.Fone app Smart Clean feature offers a powerful way to detect and delete duplicates and similar photos in just a few taps. Instead of manually searching for cluttered images, this tool scans your entire photo library, identifies duplicates, and allows you to remove them instantly. Beyond just detecting exact copies, Dr.Fone app uses intelligent algorithms to find images that look alike but might have minor differences. So with its user-friendly interface and quick scanning process, cleaning up your iPhone has never been easier. Here's how to get rid of duplicate photos using Dr.Fone app. Step 1. Access the App Store on your iPhone to find and install the Dr.Fone app and launch it afterward. Now, move to the Smart Clean tab from the bottom toolbar and hit the Smart Clean button. Following that, grant the required permissions, especially for the Photos app, and once the app scans the phone and finds the duplicate photos, access the related category and choose the ones you wish to delete. After making that selection, hit the Delete button from the prompt to remove these duplicate images from your mobile. Moreover, you can use this feature to remove duplicate contacts and calendar entries. Part 3. Bonus tips to clean up and optimize iPhone storage. Deleting duplicate photos is a great start, but if you want to free up even more space and keep your iPhone running smoothly, there are a few extra steps that you can take. So beyond just cleaning up your photo library, optimizing storage across your device ensures that you never run out of space when you need it the most. Let's explore some bonus tips to help you declutter and maximize your iPhone storage efficiently. Number 1. Remove unused apps. Many apps sit on your phone, taking up valuable space without being used. To manually delete them, go to Settings and access the General tab. Here, use iPhone Storage to see a list of apps sorted by storage usage. Tap on any app you no longer need and select Delete App to remove it completely. Number 2. Offload unused apps. If you want to keep an app's data but free up space, offloading is a great option. This removes the app itself while keeping your documents and settings intact. To enable this feature, go to Settings and select App Store. From the Apps tab on the following screen, toggle on Offload Unused Apps, then your iPhone will automatically remove apps you don't use often while keeping your data safe. Number 3. Optimize photo storage. High-resolution photos and videos can quickly eat up storage. Apple offers an optimized iPhone storage option that saves space by storing full-resolution images in iCloud while keeping smaller device-friendly versions on your iPhone. To enable it, open iCloud settings and select Photos to toggle on Optimize iPhone storage. By following these steps, you can keep your iPhone clutter-free, improve performance, and ensure you always have enough space. So keeping your iPhone storage optimized doesn't have to be a hassle. By removing duplicate photos, offloading unused apps, and optimizing your photo storage, you can free up space and keep your device running smoothly. For an even faster and more efficient cleanup, the Dr.Fone app Smart Clean feature is a great tool to automatically detect and delete duplicate and similar photos in just a few taps. It saves time, reduces clutter, and helps you manage your storage effortlessly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.